Hello, and welcome to Wellbeing Tips and Tricks. Today, I'm going to help you understand and manage acne. Let's get started. Understanding acne. To effectively treat acne, it's essential to understand it first. Acne occurs when hair follicles become clogged with oil and dead skin cells, leading to inflammation and various types of pimples. One of the best ways to manage acne is through a proper skincare routine. Here's what you need. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and excess oil. Use a product with salicylic acid to unclog pores and exfoliate. Benzoyl peroxide can help kill acne-causing bacteria. Don't forget to moisturize to keep your skin balanced. Remember to wash your face twice a day, in the morning and before bedtime. A healthy diet and lifestyle can also make a difference. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water. Regular exercise can improve circulation and reduce stress, which may help manage acne. A good night's sleep is crucial for skin health. Avoid high sugar and high dairy foods, as they can trigger acne in some individuals. If your acne is severe or persistent, consider professional treatments. Dermatologists can offer treatments like chemical peels, laser therapy, or prescription medications to target more severe cases. Preventing acne is just as important as treating it. Protect your skin from the sun by using sunscreen. Avoid touching your face to prevent the spread of bacteria. Change your pillowcase regularly to avoid dirt and oil buildup. In conclusion, treating acne is a combination of proper skincare, a healthy lifestyle, and professional guidance if needed. Remember, consistency is key. Take care, and remember, you're not alone in this battle against acne. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.